Welcome to CHA MiCollab Mobile Training. The system starts out sending an email that you'll follow along in Step 1 and Step 2, two parts where you'll download the application for your particular device. In this case, I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to the Apple Store, and I'll click to download the MiCollab Mobile. This will take a little bit of time for it to go through and download, depending on your device and your internet connection. You can watch the progress as it's downloading. As I said, it takes just a little bit of time. And we're almost halfway. And when it finishes downloading, we're not going to want to hit the open. We're going to want to hit done, which will take us back to the email. And then we scroll down, and towards the bottom, below the Windows thing, in Step 2, Activation, click here is a blue link that will set the activation and give permissions. At this point, it's going to start asking you questions about opening and allowing connection and access to different things. You're going to want to allow, and then the end user license agreement. If you want to read it, you can scroll down through it and go ahead and do that, or you can proceed to just hit the accept button at the bottom and move past the end user license agreement. And there'll be some more queries of allowing access. And you're going to want to hit OK or allow on all of those. And now we're at the base tutorial where you're going to swipe left to get started, which will run you through some basic tutorials showing you the left and right menus, the red bar and the green bar. You continue to go through these 6 little tutorial pages. And then you're ready to start. So now you're at the home screen of the application. And you'll notice the green tab that we're going to go ahead and slide out first to just verify that our phone is enabled. And you see the soft phone is currently in use elsewhere, so we're going to turn that on and make sure that it's going to allow us access. And now that we've got our soft phone enabled, we can actually make and take calls on our device. And the next thing we're going to do is go into availability. And right now it's set at working remote. There's a pull down there that you can click on to allow you to change your status. By default, the do not disturb and the working remote are the only 2 statuses that are set up. We can click the 3 dots and go and create a new one if we'd like to set up a new status. So I'm creating one called Office, and then choosing where to send my calls. And when I'm on the phone, what do I want it to do? I want to send it to my voicemail. And if I do not answer, I want it to send calls to my voicemail. And then I've got everything set up on this status, so I can choose Done. And now you see I've got 3 statuses: Do Not Disturb, Office, and Working Remote. Now we're going to push into the red side of the screen, which is going to give us a few more options. Number 1 being contacts beyond the home page.